BMW 2010 2-liter diesel. Let's do the maintenance. I'll make sure to put the specifications in the title. I forgot 185 horsepower. Yep, I didn't forget. Alright, so you take off the... It's held in with tabs around everywhere. The cover, the engine cover. You check the dipstick. Dipstick lives right about here. Check the fluid level, and with the light it will be better. Alright, always check the oil level before you change it. Yep, so you know. Yep, it has been running perfect. The engine is running at in good nick. It's in good nick. Yep. All right. Nice. So let's start by loosening up the oil filter. We do that by taking the air box, tubes, however you want to call them, and do them. Actually put them somewhere else. Yeah, just besides the box, somewhere like that. And the other one, I put last time I put a zip tie around it because it was making noise. And with these engines, you want to check out the water pump for leaks and stuff, because these ones go bad because the crankshaft pulley, if you pull it on the belt right here, can you see it? Yeah, this one has to be replaced. Too much play. And this starts to wobble, and your water pump pulley starts to wobble, and it will get loose and leak, and also the water thermostat housing. How do you know? Because I noticed last time also the water level dropped, the coolant level, and now it dropped significantly. So next time, yeah, there won't be a next time. I will do it now or in like, yeah, maybe a couple of months, depending on the customer's wallet, of course. Washer fluid, don't forget to top it off. And I'll get this one off, and then we pop off this one and get to the oil filter. Yep. Just pop it off like that. Yep. Can be a bit stubborn. Yeah, this is an easy air filter. If you want to swap it out, go right ahead. And there we have the oil filter, 27mm socket. Yep, loosen it up. Not too much, but enough to let the oil drain inside the filter. If you put your fingers on it, you can feel it drain. So that way you know has been screwed out far enough. Don't right away I pull it out, else you'll drop oil everywhere. That's not fun. BMW was nice enough to give us an opening to find drain bolts, more or less. Yeah, this one has been quite a bit fucked up. So no problem. Also, there's your starter motor. If you want to swap it out, now's the time. Just take some more plastic off. This one is a 17mm wrench. Hopla. Lefty loosey. Try to catch the bolts when it comes out. Look what I do. I just oh boy, it's coming. Yeah, typical. And there it was. That's why I always say take off your gloves when you're doing that. I thought I was gonna get lucky, but yeah, still okay. So Now we can take out the filter. Now it has drained. And swap it out for a new one. Filter, take your old filter out. Just pull your hands out of each other and you'll loosen it up in no time. We'll install a new gasket, O-ring, whatever, seal, rubber seal. Install the new filter. Make sure this is sticking up because this is to drain your a little bit deeper. That's okay. And still turn when we screw it in. And they even give a nice little new O-ring, a copper one, copper washer. And the correct part is RF003 from Recall. Nice filters. Alright, let's put it in. Sometimes you can screw in the filter like this, and sometimes some brands make it a little bit different. So in this case, take the filter out again, no problem. Put it in first. Don't lose the cap. Don't make it dirty. So we need to put in this little tab first. This is what keeps the oil in. If we unscrew the filter, we let the oil drain to the oil pan. So if you can twist it around, and then you suddenly feel the hole, and then you just gently shove it in like this. And now we will put on the cap. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Push it down a bit, up, and now we have to find the threads on the filter housing. Can be a little bit tricky sometimes. Yeah, we must make sure it's going in good. Well, yeah, wiggle it around, of course, with two hands. It's easier than with one hand. And I think I'm there. Yeah. Don't cross thread, else you'll break the plastic filter housing. Yeah, I made it. Should go in pretty easy. So yeah, with one hand, even though I'm pretty strong, but yeah. Yep, 25 Newton meters. If you want to torque it down, do it. I know it by heart. So should go in easy. If not, you're gonna twist the filter element, and there's a good chance your oil light won't go out, and you will not have oil pressure. So that will be a very bad day. Pay attention to it. If you're in doubt, first stick the filter in like I did, then screw on the cap. Make sure everything is turning loose like it should. Tie at 25 Newton meters down, and check for the oil light to go out. Pretty important. New copper washer, and put the bolt back in. If you see drips, that's okay. I'm sure it can drip until next week, but hey, we have to continue. So, hopla. And this one you can also torque down. I think they say 20 to 30 Newton meters, but I like to do the hand check, the demon hand check. If you feel the copper getting squeezed just a little bit more, stop, that's it. Don't over torque it. Alright, put the plastic back in and let's put the oil back in. 5W30, latest additives. If you can see it, 5,2 liters of oil. That's what you need. Yep, so 5.2 liters of oil. Let's pour it in. I like to take 3.2 and then 2 liters. You get the picture. Pour it in, and then let's go. Forget to lubricate all your locks and hinges, the doors, trunk, hood, tires. Should check out your tire pressure inside the driver's door, right over there. But I won't go there. It's a sticker that's right here, but it's there. I'm limp, so I wouldn't do that. So don't forget it. These ones needs to be filled up at 2.2. 2.4 bars. Front and back is the different tire pressure. All right, and if you must reset, let's do that. Next, hose is always coming back, sliding off because the tabs are broken. Put in a little zip tie. All those points where they go in, here, there. So next time you have to take them off. They go off smooth instead of yanking all the parts into pieces. So how to do the reset? Well, mind this button. So I'm gonna turn off my lights. And now, first, don't touch the button. First, turn on the ignition. Then wait for 10 seconds, approximately. Still not touching anything here. Then you see this screen. Now we want to push the button and hold it down. And all the menus that you can reset will appear. Now let go of the button, let loose. And now when we press it once, we can cycle through the menus, everything that you can do a reset on. It will say here, reset possible. So we want to do the oil here, and we have to reset possible, it says. To do it, we have to hold the button down again. Then it will say, do the reset, question mark, hold the button down again until the bar is full. Bam, reset succeeded. 26,000 kilometers, that's a lot. Yeah, I would advise 20,000 maximum, but hey. Alright, there you go. If you want to reset something else, hold it down again, starting from this menu. And there we go again. So if you did the rear brake pads, you could actually, there are new brake pads on there. So let's try to do it. Ah, it did. It did it. Nice, 20,000 kilometers. That's yeah, they will last longer, I think, but hey, that's how I do the resets for those things. Next, tire pressure. Tire pressure. So if you have this kind of console, go to yeah, vehicle information, enter. Then we go to vehicle status, enter. And then we have an indication of flat tire. It says oil is not enough, but I just did the oil change, so needs to turn the engine. We go to confirm the tire pressure, initialize the tire pressure, and activating, it says. So when we roll out of the garage, it should be good, and all the service menus are okay. So there's a little thing here, but you can see how far you can drive the car. Oh, December, yeah, that's for the car inspection that we still have to reset. So yeah, it says which day you should go, now which month. So here we can swap it out again. I just went, so September is good, and 2023. All right, that will do it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you for the next one. Keep tight. Enjoy.